Hi guys, this is Maddie. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a Zara account. Let's start. On Zara, you can complete your purchase either as a guest or a registered customer. You can find it by logging onto the Zara application, registering as a customer and going to the purchases section. You can link all your purchases to the Zara QR, both online and from physical stores. First, open your browser. Then go to zara.com. Choose your country first. Then select your language. In this step, click on Login here. After that, select Create Account. In the first step, enter your email address. Then create your password. Re-enter your password here. After that, write your name and last name. Type your address here. Then enter your zip code. After that, enter your city and choose your state. Finally, enter your phone number. Check these 3 boxes and click on Create Account. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you soon in the next video.